This is a video of how to use the character development template. Now this is the introduction, body, family, social, personality, priorities and random. We're going to start with filling up the introduction, and we did that. All you have to do is to fill up the qualities you want your characters to have in the body, family and social, and we filled that up. Next is the personality. In the personality, all you have to do is to underline the attribute that best describes your character. And after doing that, you now rate that underlined attribute of your character. For example, the first thing I underlined was cautious. Then, how cautious is my character over 5? And then I rated it. You're going to do that for all the personality traits. Now the next one we are moving into is the priorities. Just like you rated personality traits of the character, you're also going to rate the priorities of the characters over 5. And just like we did for others, we did for this one. Take note of these 3 things that I'm about to say. The first thing is that this template is best used when it's in printed form. The second thing is that you can print as many as possible for each and every one of your characters. And then the third thing is that as you're writing your book or your story or anything that you're writing in this template, ensure that your characters are being portrayed just as you have portrayed them in this template.